Welcome to this comprehensive guide on customer acquisition cost, or CAC. In this series, we'll explore how to measure marketing efficiency and understand exactly how much it costs your business to acquire each new customer. This metric is fundamental for any company looking to optimize their marketing budget and ensure sustainable growth. Customer acquisition cost is the total amount of money you spend on marketing and sales efforts to acquire one new customer. Think of it as the price tag attached to bringing someone from being a stranger to becoming your customer. It's a critical business metric because it helps you understand whether your marketing investments are actually paying off. CAC guides your budget allocation decisions and shows you exactly how efficient your marketing efforts really are. The formula for CAC is straightforward. Take your total marketing costs and divide by the number of new customers acquired. Total marketing costs include everything: salaries for your marketing and sales team, advertising spent across all channels, software tools, and any other expenses directly related to customer acquisition. New customers acquired is simply the number of unique customers you gained during that specific time period. This gives you a single number that tells you the average cost per customer. Let's look at a real example. Imagine a tech SaaS company that spent $100,000 on marketing, $50,000 on their sales team, and $10,000 on tools and software in a month. During that same month, they acquired 320 new customers. Using our formula, 160,000 divided by 320 equals $500. So their customer acquisition cost is $500 per customer. This means, on average, they spent $500 to bring in each new customer. Here's something important. CAC varies dramatically depending on which marketing channel you use. Email marketing is the most cost-effective at $25 per customer. Referrals are even cheaper at $15, making them your best acquisition channel. Social media comes in at $45. Content marketing at $55. Paid search is more expensive at $85 because people clicking on paid ads typically have higher intent. Influencer partnerships are the priciest at $120. This is why successful companies track CAC for each channel separately and allocate budget to their best performers. The CAC payback period tells you how long it takes to recover your customer acquisition investment through that customer's revenue. You calculate it by dividing your CAC by the monthly revenue that customer generates. For example, if your CAC is $500 and each customer generates $100 monthly in revenue, your payback period is 5 months. This means after 5 months, the customer has generated enough revenue to cover what you spent acquiring them. Shorter payback periods are better because your cash recovers faster. Understanding CAC means nothing without comparing it to customer lifetime value, or LTV. LTV is the total revenue a customer will generate throughout their entire relationship with your company. You calculate LTV by multiplying monthly revenue per customer by their average lifespan as a customer. Let's use our example. If a customer generates $100 monthly and stays for 50 months, their LTV is $5,000. Now compare this to their CAC of $500. That's a 10-to-1 ratio. The golden standard in business is maintaining at least a 3-to-1 ratio between LTV and CAC. This ensures that for every dollar you spend acquiring a customer, they generate at least $3 in lifetime value. Now that you understand CAC, let's talk about reducing it. First, optimize your channels. Analyze the return on investment for each channel regularly, shift your budget to the winners, and eliminate underperformers. Second, leverage referrals. Implement a referral program and incentivize your existing customers to bring new ones. Referrals consistently have the lowest CAC. Third, improve conversion rates. Conduct A and B tests on your landing pages, optimize your sales funnel, and remove friction points that prevent people from becoming customers. Finally, invest in content marketing. Create valuable content, build your search engine optimization presence, and establish long-term sustainable growth through authority and trust. CAC varies significantly across different industries. E-commerce companies typically have CAC between $35 to $65. Software as a service, or SaaS, companies range from $150 to $300. Healthcare industries average $200 to $500. Financial services are even higher at $400 to $800. Education sectors sit around $80 to $150. Business-to-business companies can exceed $500 to $2,000 per enterprise customer. These are just benchmarks to reference. Your actual CAC depends on your specific geography, target market, and sales model. Use these as guidance, not absolute standards. To succeed with CAC, you need to monitor it continuously. Track these key metrics. First, CAC trend, which shows how your cost changes month over month. Second, CAC by channel, so you can compare which channels are most efficient. Third, payback period, which indicates how quickly you recover your investment. Fourth, your LTV to CAC ratio, to ensure it stays above 3 to 1. Use analytics platforms like Google Analytics or Mixpanel, CRM systems like Salesforce or HubSpot, multi-touch attribution tools to track how customers find you, and dashboards like Tableau or Data Studio to visualize all this data. Regular monitoring helps you make informed decisions about where to invest your marketing budget. Let's recap the 5 essential points about customer acquisition cost. First, CAC measures the efficiency of your marketing spend. Second, different channels have vastly different acquisition costs, so track each one separately. Third, maintain at least a 3 to 1 ratio between customer lifetime value and acquisition cost for sustainable business. Fourth, monitor CAC trends monthly and adjust your strategy based on the data. Fifth, actively reduce CAC by focusing on referrals, improving conversions, and leveraging content marketing. Remember, lower CAC combined with higher LTV creates sustainable, profitable growth. Understanding and optimizing CAC is one of the most powerful levers for business success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.